We're going to be trying out a new product just launched by Sand and Sky, and look at the packaging. Oh my god, isn't it beautiful? Those colors, like, it definitely catches your attention. Here is called the Smoothing Body Sand. You'll want to thank Sand and Sky for sending me this product to review for you. This is gonna be first impression, so we're gonna go and test it out. At 6.4 ounces. Now on their website it says they ship worldwide, so that's very exciting, and this product is made in Australia. You know, my dream is to go to Australia one day. Go ahead and look at the product. I do want to put like the ingredients on the screen. I always like to do that for anything I review. Come very nicely sealed. This is so exciting. Ooh. Oh my god, look how adorable that is. So cute, and it just says Sand and Sky. It's like a little scoop. So we do get like a little pamphlet here. It just says Australian Pink Clay Smoothing Body Sand. By the way, this is a clean brand. They are cruelty-free. They are free of all the nasties, which is like no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates, gluten. Let's say it's dermatologist approved. It gives you the directions here. It says apply to wet skin, rinse off, and feel the difference. Ooh. Oh my god. Guys, I love pink. It's such a pretty color. Let's see. That a gorgeous pink. This is a really nice amount that we're getting. So this is what you will be getting. It says Sand and Sky Australian Pink Clay Smoothing Body Sand. Super Smoothing 4-in-1 formula is your one-stop shop for an amazing bod. Purify with Australian Pink Clay, exfoliate and smooth with coconut shell, and moisturize with virgin macadamia oil. This smooth operator means business for amazing touch me skin. Open it up. Hopefully we don't make a mess. I will be trying it out in the bathroom, okay? So let's see. Oh. Oh my god, that smells so good. It looks like. Ooh, I just dropped some. Let me take my scoop. Well, that was easy. Sometimes we could be lazy, but when they make the products like fun like this, it just makes it like you just want to use it, you know what I mean? I love exfoliating, especially like in the weekend. It does say you can use this like maybe up to 3 times a week, is your choice. If you have sensitive skin, of course, I'm always gonna say try it in a small area first. We'll see how it feels on the skin. If it feels very rough, or exfoliating really helps for like ingrown hairs, stretch marks, cellulite, and stuff like that. It just keeps like the circulation, and it's gonna get rid of all those dead skin cells. So let's go and try this out. So I'm thinking of just applying some like my leg, because I do have to film this on my own, so it's gonna be really hard if I try to do it like on my arm. So here's my leg before. We're just gonna wet it. Now I'm just gonna take some here. I'm gonna place it as best as I can because I'm just using one hand here. This has some glitter. Oh my god, this is so gentle. I thought it was gonna feel like super rough, but it's not. You do feel like it's doing an amazing job. You don't even see the glitter, so if you're like, what, glitter? Smell, the smell is just delicious. Just makes me feel like if I'm in a luxurious spa. I love doing rubs and stuff on the weekend. Rinse this off. I cannot explain to you how my skin feels right now. Oh my god, it's so smooth and it does not feel greasy, but you can tell it's nicely moisturized. I hate that greasy feeling, but it doesn't feel greasy. It just feels so much softer. Pressed. The difference with this leg and this leg, I hope you can see it. Okay, I am back and I did use a nice generous amount. I hope I was able to get some good shots for you because like I said, I'm just using one hand, but I have to say that I liked the most about this very finely milled glitter. I'll explain to you how it looks in person. Is nothing like that it looks cheaper, like ew, what is that? No, you go outside like for a night out or you look so good. I'm trying to put like some shots because it's so tiny you can't really see it, like the light has to hit you. Look at this body sand, you can't see it at all. That's how finely milled it is, like very well made. These opinions are all my own. This video is not sponsored. I'm not getting paid to tell you this. It looks really nice. Very sensitive skin. My skin did not turn red or anything. It wasn't rough, but it felt like it was getting the job done. I love pampering my skin. It's like a must. I like to unwind in the weekend. Hopefully you're able to get it before it gets sold out. I believe it got sold out in Australia already. I say it detoxifies, smooths, moisturizes, and illuminates. So the glitter definitely gives you that luminosity, which is gorgeous. Feels super smooth. You're getting rid of all that dead skin. If this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. Click the little notification bell. That way you'll be the first to get notified every time I post a new video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye. Also check the description. I'll leave you a link. You can see where you can purchase this.